Hey guys, I'm Kawaii Crybaby, and for today's video, I am testing 3 no-glue borax slime recipes. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the video. So the first one is just 2 ingredients, and it is body wash, gel, and shampoo. I've seen this work in a lot of videos, so I have high hopes on it, but we'll never see if we test it, so let's go. So obviously we're going to need a bowl and a mixing tool, but also we're going to need our shampoo and our body wash. So here's the ingredients: shower gel and shampoo. So first we're going to put our shower gel in the bowl. Okay guys, I'm going to take this. I'm going to put, sorry, I have allergies. I'm a little stuffy. Alright, so I put that in there. Now it's time for the shampoo. There we go. They're both clear, so if this works, I'll get myself some clear slime. Well, the next step is to mix it. It does not have a slime consistency at all. But it says mixing will thicken it up. It's kind of getting thick. Alright, well the next step is to freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes, so I'll go do that right now. Okay guys, so it's been in the freezer for 13 minutes, and it looks like it worked, but it's really sticky. But this one probably is gonna get a yes from me because it's slime just too sticky to be played with. So maybe if I freeze it for a little longer, it will go better. So the real time that's probably supposed to be freeze for this is 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes probably. But I'll be right back when I freeze this for a little longer. Okay guys, so it's been in the freezer for a little more than 25 or a little less than that. And I feel like if you freeze it a little longer, it will be slimy and less sticky. But right now it's really sticky, and it's literally nothing that you can just put in your hands and play with. So this one is going to have to get an X from me. But I feel as if you freeze it for a little longer, maybe it would not fail and you can get a check, because I did see this work from a lot of people, and personally I did not think this was gonna work. So let's get on to the next slime. Okay guys, for our next recipe I will be using hand soap, and it has to be hand soap or else it won't work, and salt. So let's get into making this one. Bowl, take your hand soap, put it in there, and just mix that around all by itself. Then take the smallest amount of salt, literally that much, put it in there, because if you add too much, it will definitely not work. This is supposed to make it thicker and into a slime consistency. Also, sorry about my voice, I'm a little sick. I'm gonna add a bit more. Sorry about that, guys. But you're just gonna keep mixing. It's so thick already. Wow. So hard to mix. But it won't pick up. I'm gonna add a bit more hand soap because I feel like I added too much salt. Oops. There we go. I'm gonna add like literally that much. This is a slippery spoon. Alright, well the next step says to freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes. And I feel like this one is going to fail because, hold on. So as I was saying, I feel like this one is going to fail because it's at the consistency that our other body wash, gel, shampoo, slime was, but you never know, the ingredients may freeze differently and this may work out because it worked out in like a lot of videos. And I also saw one shampoo and salt, but I decided to go with this one because I feel like shampoo and salt is much more of a popular recipe. But I'm gonna put this in the freezer now for 10 to 15 minutes and I will be right back. Okay guys, so it's been in the freezer for close to 10 to 15 minutes and it kind of looks like a fail. Let me touch it. Okay, so it's kind of a fail, but I feel if I freeze it for a little longer, which I did do for the last time, and that one still yet failed, it would work. But who knows? I'm gonna mix it around. Can I play with it in my hands? This one's definitely a better consistency than the last one. And don't worry, guys, I'm gonna give you a slime recipe that will work because you guys are probably getting mad. Okay, so this one did not work for me. I mean, like, just look at it. You know it didn't work. And it's also freezing my fingers. It's really cold. So guys, this one was a fail, but let's go on to the last one. Okay guys, it's the time you've all been waiting for. Also, sorry my voice is echoing. I had to move areas just so I could make this slime. All the ingredients are up here. But anyways, the slime that will actually work has come. And I know it will work because I tested it before I did this video. But all you will need is toothpaste and baby powder. And I have the baby powder right here. So let's get into making this. Okay, so I'm not sure if I still have any toothpaste left in here, but I'm pretty sure I do. Because I need it for this video. Hold on, guys. I need toothpaste for this video. Ooh, there's toothpaste in it. There's toothpaste! Okay guys, so I got the toothpaste in here, but now we're gonna microwave it for 30 seconds, so let's go. Okay, it's in the microwave, and we're gonna microwave this for 30 seconds. Okay guys, so it's gonna look like this, but I had to take a bit of toothpaste out. Okay, so I'm gonna take the baby powder and just put it in there. Wait, not ready for baby powder. We're gonna scoop it up onto the tip of the spoon, then soak it in baby powder. Then just knead it in there. And this is the amount that I had because I did not use a lot of toothpaste. And just saying, you have to use a Colgate toothpaste or else it will not work. I tested other ones and I don't even want to get into what happened. Let's just say it smelled horrible, completely stunk up my microwave, and just left a huge mess of explosions. But I'll go get the rest of the batch that I made with this. Be right back. Okay guys, so this is what this toothpaste will create. And it's more of a butter slime texture if that's what you're looking for. This is the perfect recipe. And you can add food coloring or paint if you want to give it to give it a little color. But this is what it creates. I finally gave you guys a slime that works. But anyways, I'm gonna end this video here, so please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. And now we have to clean up. Blech.